I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the golden PR519. This is the Cloud Supreme. This is the newest lift chair model made by Golden Technologies. So when you order this chair, it's going to come in on a pallet like this and a box like this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these straps that are holding the top on. We're going to take the lid off. And then I like how Golden does their chairs, because instead of having to cut the sides of the box, you can actually just kind of lift it off and set it to the side, and your chair is just kind of sitting here. So up top here, we have our back. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that first. It's kind of sitting on top of the main lift. So I'm going to grab this and set it to the side. Next is our actual chair. So let's take this off. There we go. And then in the back here, it's a little hard to see. I don't know if I can turn it. I don't want to scratch my floors, but you do have in here is going to be your tray. And it's just the tray. And kind of attached on the back here is going to be, I believe, your charger. So we'll just go ahead and remove all of our accessories before we get this off the pallet. That does look like your power source. So I'll set that down. I'm going to see if there's anything else in here we have to remove. Looks good. On the right hand side is your remote control. They actually already connect it for you, so that's pretty easy. If you are left-handed, I believe there's a connection point. No, this is your heat and massage remote control. So if you do get the heat and massage options, it's going to be on the left-hand side. And in this side also is going to be your kind of remote holder and then your owner's manual. I don't believe there's anything else included with it. And let me just check up front. Okay, I don't believe there's any other accessories included with this. So now I'm going to take a moment and clean up this packing material, and I'm going to get this off the pallet. Now we have all the packing material out of the way. For this, I recommend a second person to come and help us lift this off. It's quite a bulky item, so I'm going to have Mike come and help me. We're going to lift this off the pallet. Okay, now I'm going to clean up the pallet, then we will get to assembling the back. So now on the back of the chair, we have our main power right here, but then this is our lithium battery backup. So basically, this is a removable battery. We just slide it in here. It locks in place. Then this end is going to go right here. So we'll go ahead and connect these two. It only goes one way, and then you just tighten that. This side is going to go into the other side right here. And then this end, you can take the zip tie off and run it into your wall. But it's a little easier to access this before we stick the back on. Also, while we're back here, we're going to locate our connector wires. So mine are kind of tucked back here. We have these wires right here, because those are eventually going to plug into the back once we put it on. So it's nice to just get those and find those right now. In addition to these two cables here that we're going to plug in a second, there's going to be one more cable that's going to come down. It's kind of long and it has a yellow tip to it. I have the chair tilted forward right now just to show you a little bit better representation. It's going to go in here. One of these ports, I believe it's this one right here, is going to have yellow on it, and that's going to eventually go into this kind of like splitter box here. So I have this tilted forward just to show you what it eventually will look like. It's going to be hard to see once we have the back on, but that yellow cable is going to go right under here. Then these two are just going to attach to the back. And now we're going to attach the backrest. These are the two cables I was talking about, and here's the long one with the yellow plug. We're going to have these two sliders right here, going to go right on here. There's no bolts or anything you have to do. It's just going to slide on automatically. So you can do it yourself, or a second person might be easier to line it up. I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to try to lift this forward so I can see. I'll get one side lined up. The other side lined up, and I'm going to push it down. You'll hear a click on both sides. I believe one side clicked, the other side did not. There we go. So now both sides clicked. I like to try and pull up, make sure it's locked in, and we're good. Now we have our cables to plug in. This long one, I'm going to kind of run it behind here with all the other ones just to make sure it stays away from any pinch points on the side. But we do have our black and red cables. They're going to go in just like the main power. It only goes one way. And then red to red, you'll lock it in. Black to black, lock it in. Then like I showed you earlier, this is going to go into that brain box I mentioned. It's kind of hidden under here. If you have to, you can tilt the chair forward, which I might do just to show you what that looks like. So I have the chair tilted all the way forward. I just held the rise button down until it went all the way up. That way I have a lot more room to get in here and see. But then this cable eventually is going to go right in there. So I did miss one thing in here. Underneath the backrest, there's actually two more cables. This is your upper massage. So I have the seat tilted all the way forward. It's going to go into the same spot that the yellow one went into. So we just want to make sure it goes into that brain box. There's two ports. So make sure those are connected. Make sure your yellow one is connected. And then now all of your massage modules are connected. If you don't have the massage option installed on the chair, you probably won't have to do these. But if you do have the massage installed, then it all goes under here. Now our chair is mostly set up. We have the power connected. All the cables are connected. You can just check your remotes, make sure they light up. They will light up when they are connected. You also have on the right-hand side this little remote holder. It just slides in here. I'll show you in an overlay what that looks like. But then that'll hold your remote control. You have your manual right here. I'm just going to stick that in one of the pockets on the sides. And then I'll do a quick overview of some of the features. So on the right-hand side, you have your cell phone holder or cell phone charger. It's kind of a wireless charger if your phone takes that. And you have a power port right here. So what that means is, well, they give you a tray. So this is the tray. You can use the power port to stick the tray on. Well, you got to screw this in first. So it just screws in. There's a threaded hole in the bottom of the tray. And it just goes right in there. So you have a little tray. But when I say it's a power port, there actually is power in there too. So if you get any of the accessories like the audio torch, the snack bowl, any of the reading lights, anything like that, that also carries power to it, and that's how it will power it. So whenever you stick any of the accessories into that power port, they will then have power. But your tray also goes in there. On this side, you have your cup holder. So those just kind of pull out. So from here, the chair is pretty much set up. What we recommend is running through all the functions, watching the wires, making sure nothing's going to get pulled during your setup. So I'm going to run through all the functions here off camera, make sure nothing's going to get tugged. And then you want to make sure that on the small to medium size, you're about 20 inches away from the wall. And on the medium to large size, you're about 22 inches away from the wall. That is the distance you need in order to go to a full recline, because it does take up a bit of room. So once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the new Cloud Supreme. This is the PR519 by Golden Technologies. If you have any questions on this unit or you're interested, I have a link in the description below, or you can always contact us. We will make sure this product is right for your needs. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.